How do chemical plant explosions impact global supply chains? Imagine a sudden burst of fire and smoke at a chemical plant that supplies vital materials worldwide. These explosions are not just local disasters. They can shake up the entire flow of goods across the globe. When a chemical plant blows up unexpectedly, the immediate result is often the shutdown of that facility. This can wipe out a large chunk of the production for certain chemicals that many industries depend on. For example, if an organic silicon plant in China experiences an explosion, it can cut the country's output of this key chemical by as much as 10%. That kind of sudden loss makes prices jump quickly because manufacturers worldwide need those materials to keep their factories running. The impact doesn't stop there. Many industries relying on a small number of specialized chemical plants. When one of these plants is damaged, it creates a ripple effect. Car makers, electronics companies, and pharmaceutical firms might find themselves short of essential ingredients. For instance, if a chemical plant in Germany that produces a polymer used in car fuel lines is destroyed, car factories across Europe and North America could face delays. These shortages can halt assembly lines and slow down the production of thousands of vehicles, causing delays and higher costs. Chemical manufacturing is often concentrated in just a few large plants. When one explodes, the effects are magnified. Suppliers may stop shipments, inventories start to run low, and buyers rush to find alternative sources. This scramble can push prices up sharply and create uncertainty about future supplies. Companies may need weeks or even months to find new suppliers or adjust their production plans, which adds to costs and delays. Beyond the immediate damage, governments sometimes respond by shutting down other plants for safety inspections. This can lead to even more shortages, especially if entire industrial parks are closed after a major accident. Thousands of factories and workers might be affected, further disrupting supply chains. These explosions highlight how fragile the global system can be. One incident can cause delays, increase costs, and lead to lost revenue across many industries. Companies often have to spend time and money to find new sources or change their production schedules, which can be a big challenge. In the end, chemical plant explosions reminded us how tightly linked industries are. When a key chemical facility is destroyed, it can cause shortages of raw materials, spike prices, and slow down manufacturing worldwide. The concentrated nature of chemical production makes these incidents especially impactful, and the effects can be felt far beyond the site of the explosion.